Hi, I'm Adaline from Bonney Lake, Ben Franklin, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make the December gnomes of the month. First, I'll be showing you how to make the Santa gnome. First, I'm going to turn my pre-filled bag upside down and glue in the corner so that it stands upright for my gnome to sit on. To assemble the hat, I am going to take both the plaid fleece and the white fleece band and lay them one on top of the other with both of the fuzzy sides facing up. Then I'll turn it over, make sure I only have about 1/4 of an inch sticking out, add a line of glue to the plaid fleece and roll the white fleece up. Then I'm going to trim the extra edges of the white fleece so they line up with the edges of the plaid. And I'll add glue to one side, one of the short straight sides, and roll it up into a cone. Next, we're going to glue our white pom-pom to the top of the hat. Now I'm going to thread my string through my bell and tie it around the tip of my hat. And you can tie it off in a little bow. To attach the beard, I'm going to go opposite the seam of the hat and add a line of glue inside. Then attach the beard, fur facing out. Now to attach the nose, I'm going to peel away a little bit of the fur underneath the brim of the hat, add a dot of hot glue, and stick on the wooden nose. Now for the finishing touches, I'm going to put the bag inside the hat and hold the hat up, give it a little pinch, and flop it to the side so that the seam stays in the back. I hope you have fun making your Santa gnome for December Gnome of the Month. Make sure to check out our other December Gnome of the Month where we make Mrs. Claus. If you're interested in past Gnomes of the Month, all of the kits are available online and in store, and all of the tutorials are available on our YouTube channel. Happy holidays and happy crafting!